Welcome back to another Divinium demo. Today we're showing off this Egyptian lightsaber which came to me for a reinstall and repair.
Green, purple, orange, yellow, cyan, magenta, indigo, red, blue, green.
As you can see, we have a handful of fonts that are configured with different colors for the blade and the crystal chamber. Let's show that off here, cycle through them. This build was done with a magnetic speaker pod. You grab the handle, twist either direction, and pull out. Then you'll have access to a kill switch, USB port for charging, and we have a couple LEDs in there just for some accents. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. May the Force be with you.